All right, all right, all right. Gause Garage coming to you from University Town Center, Lakewood Ranch, Florida. Cars and coffee. And sitting before you is a gorgeous darker blue 70 Cuda in premium condition, folks. And what we have here is the owner, John. He's going to kind of walk us through on how long he's had the car, the basics, what he's done to it. And John, thank you for talking us through your car.
Thank you, Matt. Owned the car for a few years. It was retro modded, originally out of the LA plant. 318 car, got a 440 in there, pushing 585 horsepower.
Wow.
It's got a hot shoe suspension on the bottom. We put Dakota digital gauges in there. Interior's been restored. We've got a 4-core aluminum radiator. Works the steer box, TTI heads. We have V5 blue.
Yes.
I did it steering wheel.
Ah, very good.
I got the rally dash.
Yes, you do. A62 is the code on that. Bucket seats, which are in premium condition. And all of the trim on this car is nice, as well as the billet rallies, folks. You don't get better than that when the big billet rallies, folks. And look at this, 440 emblem. And yes, this is a Los Angeles plant car.
It's got the original wheel.
I said it's
yeah. I'll tell you what, John, you've got it prepped out really nicely here.
It's got the light package on it as well.
Oh yeah.
Fender lights, left, right, deck lid light. 3-inch MagnaFlow exhaust.
Aha. Probably gives you a hell of a sound, huh?
We can start it up if you'd like. Poly EFI.
Cool, you gonna light it off real quick?
We will.
All right. Let's go out and have a listen on this. John, thank you for showing us the car. Sounds awesome, looks awesome, and a Los Angeles car, you don't get better than that, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.